Folder structure are more important when you are building such a big project. If you are building a full stack application or you are building a front end applications. So let us understand a React folder structure, what makes us easy to navigate as well as create multiple things in the folders. So I created all of my folders inside the source folder. Obviously you can manage the folders outside the source folder also, but it's a best use to create multiple folders and packages inside the source. So let us understand one by one the what the folders are used for. So the assets folder is normally used to store assets like the jpg or svg icons and the multiple images. The components folder is used to store all of your components like the button, card, footer, header like things. You can also store UI components here. And after that, a context folder where you can create your own context here. The hooks folder is also used for if you are creating your own hook. And the pages folder, the used for create multiple pages inside that. You can also create pages in file format, but it is best used to create a folder for each page. After that, a services folder, it is one of the most important thing, because if you are calling all of your apis inside a single page, then it's not a good use actually. So you have to create a services folder. That makes things so much easy. All of your api calls are made here. After that, a types folder where you can store all of your data types here, which type of data you are using in your front end. Like if a user like let us take an example. If let a event have multiple data types, where a id or a title or a description, so you can store the types here. A utils folder is also important one, where you can store all of your utilities files. Like the storage .ts is here used for store the tokens things in the local storage and get things from the local storage. So it's best used to use a utils folder structure. After that, if you work with react, then you must know these things. And as you know, routes are handled by react router dom, and it's create a little hard for us to manage all of our routes. So it's a better use to create a routes file and manage all of your routes. Other things like the package json, where our all of our dependency are listed. So this is a basic good folder structure for creating your front end application. Thank you.